let's just go over briefly how to securely clean your Windows 11 PC before you send it off on eBay or wherever you're selling it to. So it's very simple. You just push the reset button there, and on this one I'm going to say remove everything, and we're going to do a local install, but very importantly, click change settings and do clean data. Now, unless you want to do a later version of Windows and you've already got, there's no reason to download it. And as you can see here, it basically goes through, it gets up to about 60%, and then it reboots, and then all you've got to do is leave it. And it really is that simple. Once it's finished, the data on your PC is going to be extremely difficult to recover, if not impossible. And you can dispatch it on eBay as a PC with all of your data removed. Simple as that.